everyone, today I'm going to show you two different ways to shade fluffy fur in Blender. Both of those techniques are very easy and beginner friendly, and they give really cute and soft results. The first fur style uses one color for the base object and another color for the fur strands. And the second fur style lets us create multicolored fur or a smooth color gradient along each hair. Okay, let's go! Before we start adjusting the nodes, we first need to set up the particle properties for the hair. I'll show you the settings that I'm using, and you can simply follow along and repeat them with me. And later, if you want, you can always experiment and change them to fit your own style or character. So let's set up the hair system first, and then we will move on the shading. Okay, now we need to move on to the shading, and I want to make fur version 1. In this version, the object underneath has one color, and the fur strands themselves have their own color. We only need 4 nodes for this material, so it's very quickly and very easy. Geometry, random per island. This gives each hair a slightly different random value. It helps avoid flat color and makes the fur looks more natural. Then color ramp. This is where I choose the fur color. I just move the slides and pick the shade I like. Here BSDF, this is the main for shader. It makes the fur look soft and catch light in a natural fluffy way, and of course in the end material output, this sends everything to the final render. So basically the geometry node sends a random value into the color ramp. The color ramp decides the color for the fur, and the hair BSDF makes it look soft and fluffy. This way the body can stay one color, and the fur can be any color you want. Pastel, neon, soft, different colors you can choose. So this version number 1. The mesh has one material color, and the fur has its own separate color, controlled by the color ramp and the hair BSDF shader. Okay, and now fur version 2. In this second version I want the fur itself to have two colors, one color near the roots and another color towards the tips. This creates a really soft pastel gradient look. You will see it would be very cute and fluffy. I don't change materials. I'm still working in the hair materials, and we need to add only 3 new nodes. Freshnel node. This tells Blender where to place the shine, mostly on the outer edge of the fur, not on the flat front, and this makes the fur look soft and glowing. The second one, it's glossy BSDF. This adds a gentle silky shine on the fur. And the third one, mix shader. This blends the soft fur and the shine together. The freshnel value controls the blend. To make the shine appear only on the edges, I use a freshnel node, and I connect it to the mix shader and color ramp. The mix shader blends the hair BSDF and glossy based on the freshnel value. So in this version, the fur can have two colors at the same time, fading gently from root to tip. The color ramp controls the colors. The hair BSDF makes the fur look soft, and the glossy and freshnel gives the fur a cute, gentle glow. So this look is really nice, I think, for fantasy characters, plush toys, magical creatures, or anything soft and dreamy. Thank you so much for watching and for staying with me until the end. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and that you'll use this fur material in your own characters and projects. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to do things here. The most beautiful results usually happen when we just experiment, play, and try different combinations. So don't be afraid to explore and create your own style. I'm sending you big creative energy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.